Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today, and it's about to kill me. I can't stand it no more. I'm gonna get on this thing with this box blade and I'm gonna work this ground a little bit, and no laser or nothing like that. I'm gonna kind of flatten it out, okay? Because I'm down to where I need to make a decision. Do I need a little more dirt or do I not? So I'm gonna kind of eyeball grade it and get it to where I think it's good, and then make the decision whether I need some more dirt. And Lord knows I don't want to buy no more, as I've bought quite a bit so far. Now all this right here is that screen topsoil, okay? And you see my line over here, that's where the fence is gonna be. I've got some red clay field dirt coming in. I don't know if you see those orange flags over there, but that's on grade over there. So I've got a low spot right there I need to fill in and make it all level and flat with the front yard. Alright, so that's pretty dang slick right there. Boy, I like that machine. I'm telling you, I really like it. So, alright, there you go. If you're new to the channel, to kind of get you up to speed, we have a lot of traffic right here and it's kind of hard to hear me, but I'm gonna wear my wireless mic out here from now on, see if that makes a difference. This was a total and complete disaster. It was just a plethora of crap, and we converted it over to common Bermuda, got the common Bermuda looking good, filled in real nice, and then killed it dead as a hammer. Well, I say I killed it, but like I said, it'll be back in a couple of years. And what we're doing is we've leveled it all, filled in with a lot of screen topsoil. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go right in the middle and split it right down the middle. On that side over there, we're gonna put next year's tall fescue Kentucky bluegrass mix. And then on this side, we're gonna put the all fescue mix. I got a little bit of field dirt coming, so that should be done the next video that you see. Once I get that done, I'm gonna contact the fence company and start talking about options for a fence. And at some point during all that, we're gonna go and put the seed down. I have not made up my mind what starter fertilizer I'm gonna run. I'm gonna think about it, but we're gonna put one of them on here. Grass seed. Before I do that, I got somewhat of a test product. Got a buddy of mine that sent me, he wants me to put down, so we're gonna put that down and work it in the ground. And you know what, I'm feeling froggy. I might just bring that laser grader out here and just see how bad my grading is. So I want to see that, and what I want to do is get a fall from the road back that way. Won't be much, it won't be about 3 inches maybe, 4 at the most. That way that water will go there. My buddy Caleb and Wally, they helped me the other day on the parking lot side, and that way all that water can funnel to one spot and go down through the woods. So hey, thank you for watching. I've got my 3 Kentucky bluegrass varieties. They're in the truck. I'm going to the house and I'm gonna start working on that Kentucky bluegrass renovation for next year's Kentucky bluegrass seed that we'll have. So like, subscribe, and share, and tell all your buddies. You don't want to miss it, because I'm telling you, there's a lot of cool things getting ready to happen. Check you later.